So I was recently at the Utah State Fair, and while I was there, I found a booth selling these little guys right here, and I assumed that they were Lego or genuine. The reason I assumed that is because I wasn't aware there was such a thing as a fake. And it starts occurring to me that Lego logo isn't on the bags. They're little tiny bags. I started thinking, I wonder if these are genuine Lego. Two things, first of all. So I started researching, and I came across a few things. First of all, a little pad for a stand. I don't know if that's normal. I don't think it is. And each one of them came with extra hands, like one extra hand. The other identifier is that the heads don't have the Lego logo on the very top of the stem. That's the only thing I can find that's not original. You can see Grievous, he's pretty cool. He looks amazing and came with all four of those lightsabers. I'm not a seller or a trader, so I'm not worried about them getting into the world like that. I didn't pay a lot for them. It was like, I just didn't think anything of it. I didn't pay a lot for them. It was like 5 for $20, so it was like $4 each. But the quality is pretty amazing. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty amazing. So this was all new to me. I wasn't aware there was such a thing as fake, but now I know. Just looking at what I've got here, like you can see fun videos for myself and I got Boba Fett, who has so much stuff on him. Comment back, tell me what you think if you've come across these. The only real way that I know of to tell the difference is if you look at the heads. The heads don't all have Lego on them. There's nothing in that spot, and there's nothing in that spot right there. It says Lego. That's where it would be. Anyways, yeah, comment back. Tell me what you think if you've come across these.